Today we're going to be talking about how to properly apply tire shine to your tires. You really expect your tire shine to adhere with all this grime? No. Hey guys, welcome back to 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀. So the owner of this car actually just drove in. He has all of this tire shine splatter that happens on paint after you apply a tire shine incorrectly. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it using 0 water and 2 products. The tire shine I'll be using today is going to be Tire Kicker. Tire Kicker is a water-based dressing that's in a spray form that's going to help me simply spray the tire shine directly onto the tire and get into all these grooves. The cleaner I'll be using today is going to be my Nonsense Super Cleaner. Now, Nonsense Super Cleaner is going to act as a clean agent to remove all of this browning, all of this filth, all of this gunk that's sitting on this tire. So by applying a tire shine like Tire Kicker, it's going to prevent discoloring, fading, and cracking. Nowadays, tires are not cheap. So let me show you how simple it is to clean up and apply tire shine. Everything you guys see on these tires right here is tire blooming. Over time, your tires naturally release an oil onto your tires and they start turning brown. But we need to remove all of this before we apply any tire shine to prevent any tire sling. So the first step is going to be grabbing your bottle of Nonsense Super Cleaner, and this is going to be for anybody that has no access to running water. Nonsense Super Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner that can be used around the whole entire car. Just be sure to dilute it to your needs. So I'll grab my bottle and then I'll spray directly onto the surface. Now, there's 2 ways you can go about it. If your tires are pretty well maintained, you don't need to scrub it out. In the occasion that your tires have never been cleaned, I recommend scrubbing it out thoroughly using a nifty brush or a big blue stiffy. It all depends on the tires. I like going with the smaller brush. I'll also grab my Nonsense Super Cleaner and I'll spray it directly on it for extra cleaning power. So now that you have product on the tire and you have product on your brush, you just grab your brush and just start scrubbing it side to side. Look, whenever you start agitating the tire, it starts by removing previous tires, tire dressings, road grime, debris. And you guys can see that the foam that's being released from the tire is actually brown. That's just because how dirty this tire actually is. So after you're done scrubbing the tire, there's 2 ways you can go about it. If you have running water, rinse it off. But like I told you guys, I'm doing it with 0 water. So all I'm going to do is grab a clean microfiber towel and I'm going to wipe off the residue. You really expect your tire shine to adhere with all this grime? No. So I just finished by wiping down the tire and you guys can already see a big difference naturally. Look how much filth and grime I released, or I removed away from the tire, if I should say correctly. Look, both sides, it has all this filth and grime. So now it's time to apply some tire shine. So if you have nubby tires, what I like to do, I like to grab a soft brush that has flag tip bristles on it. So whenever I start scrubbing onto a tire, it's going to contour to the tire. It's going to spread out the tire shine a lot evenly. So I'll spray directly onto my bristles, and then I'm gonna spray some onto the tire as well. And then I'll just grab my brush and then I'll just work it right in. And if I have excess, I could just grab a clean microfiber towel and buff off any residue. But look at this. This brush is helping me spread out Tire Kicker across the tire without having any headaches. It's getting all the grooves and crevices. So I just need to massage it back in. And just by stepping back right now, you guys can see a big before and after. This side looks dull and neglected. This side looks very, very shiny. Now, if you're that person that does not like super high shine tires, grab a clean microfiber towel and buff it off and it'll go back to a matte sheen. That's the cool thing about Tire Kicker. You could actually control the different level of shines. If you want it really shiny, let it sit on there and then you're good to go. If you have any excess, just wipe it off. And if you want no shine whatsoever, just get a clean microfiber towel and buff it right off. Alright, so after you finish working it in, what I also recommend is letting it sit from anywhere for a minute to 2 minutes just so it could dry up. But how fast our dressing works is if I grab my finger and rub it across, it's completely dry to a touch. It is not oily, my fingers are not dirty. That is because the tire adhered all the tire shine directly into the tire and is not going anywhere. And that's how simple it is to apply tire shine. As always, if you guys would like to pick up Tire Kicker today, hop on to 𝘃𝗵𝗶𝗀guys.com or drive down to a local retailer. As always, I'm Henry and we'll see you guys next time.